To open or not to open? Open. Okay, let's go ahead and open this up and let's see what we can get out of these packs. So, first of all, code card. Second of all, promo card. Now, pack number 1. Code card. Energy card. We're looking for the full art Persian, because it's a cute kitty. Exu, Sarwa, Dartrix, Stuffle, Genesect, Binding Monkey, Crobat, ooh, reverse holo, and Zubat, and a Pheasantipity! Nice! Alright, onto the Pheasantipity pack. We get the promo, the card thingy. Oh, Cresselia I've seen now. And the water energy. Houndoom, Furfu, Farum, Epso, Jane's Secret Art, Weavile, Slitherwing, Reverse Holo Covenant, and Reverse Holo Dartrix. And now the Petulant pack. Okay, so this time only grab 1 card, thank you. Code card. Ooh, that's a holo. Nice. Holo energy. Now that's what we're looking for. Horsey. Golbat. Exu. Sneasel. Power Glass. Binding Monkey. Malamar. Reverse Holo Dusknoir. Reverse Holo Horsey. And a regular holo Sarwak. Well, how did I do? Did I do good or did I do bad? Let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I will see you in the next episode. See ya!